how to log out of Messenger, sign out of Facebook Messenger. So if you want to quickly go ahead and log out of your Facebook Messenger, here's what you're going to do. So you're going to open up your Messenger, and once you're over here, you're going to go to the top left section, click on the settings icon, and from here you are going to go ahead and scroll down to the actual section where it's going to tell you to switch account. So once it tells you to switch account, you can obviously go ahead and sign out of your current account through this section over here. So to simply sign out, go to the settings. Okay, you're going to go ahead and go to where it says See More in Accounts Center. Once you go to See More in Accounts Center, over here you're going to go to Accounts, and once you're in your accounts, you can simply log off from this section, or what you can do for betterment is either delete the application and make sure to log out of your Facebook through your phone. Okay, and what the best part about logging out on Messenger is that you don't lose any cache data through your phone when you're logging out of it. So the best and the most conventional way, which people usually choose and people usually go with, is, again, as I told you, you're simply going to come over down here in your profile center. Once you're in your profile center, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your password and security. And when you go into your password and security, you're going to go to when you're logged in. You're going to go over here and you are going to log out of this device. So you're going to choose select devices to log out, and then you're going to select all the devices and log out of the selected device, and that should log out your Messenger. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.